It may look easy being on the convoy for charity, but because it was such a lovely day, I thought we'd just walk around the gardens and grab a chance for a picnic. And luckily for us, Kathy from Long Table Cafe just out of town has the catering covered, true paddock to plate style.
It's food fresh straight from the farm, and yeah, we love what we do and yeah, enjoy what we do too. The whole working of the farm just blends together. There's no chemicals whatsoever. The food you'll eat today, you know, the lettuce is straight out of the garden, the herbs are fresh, and yeah, it's just beautiful.
Where did you learn how to make all this stuff? How did you learn to turn it into such delicious
food?
I
don't know. It just evolved basically. Yeah, I've always loved to cook, and as I go, I mean, you can't stop learning either. Yeah. Yeah, we've just recently got bees, so we're learning about bees now and the beautiful honey and all those good things that come along with that. So we make our salamis every June, long weekend in June. Actually, I've had to milk the goat and make the cheese because my husband's away for 5 days at the moment, so...
That's normally his job, isn't it?
Yeah, that's normally his job.
Well, look, you've got a passion that's so clear. Thank you for bringing it out here into the gardens with us. I can't wait to get stuck in. Thanks,
Thank
Kathy.
you. Great to be with you guys.
You have outdone yourself, Kathy.
Oh. Looks like lunch is served.
Flatbread, smoked roasted ham, a beautiful farm fresh eggs, just a little basic lettuce from the garden. On the cream cheese, we've got our peach chutney, and then we've got candy kumquats, our beautiful soft goat's cheese, and our beautiful salami, a mix of our olives, capsicum, 2 varieties of olives in there, and then we've got a pickled fennel.
Well, I reckon we should beat the flies to the punch here today and hook in. What do you reckon? And before I drown in my own saliva. There is such a difference between farm fresh food and the stuff that's been through the process, isn't there?
You could just smell the food, it was that fresh. And the bright colours and everything, it was just so inviting. Just knowing it's so fresh, you know, they made the goat cheese that morning. And the fruit and the meat, what can you say? The cheese was beautiful.
Kathy, absolutely magnificent. My compliments to all the farm animals and your plants as well, but more so the animals, because this pork is great.
Delicious.
And I can confirm that the food didn't last long. Just don't tell the rest of the convoy members.